Hey folks, so just got to another job. So on this boiler services the second floor of this two-family house, and the issue is that the half the house is getting hot, half the baseboard is getting warm, but the other half doesn't warm up. So I noticed it's really rusty pipe on the return. It's only got one circulator, so I'm pretty sure this the rust inside the pipe clogged up the pump. So the pump is really hot, but it's not pumping through. So what we gotta do is we gotta fix this rust. We gotta replace this section of pipe, replace the circulator pump with a multi-speed 007, and this also expansion tank is full of water, so the diaphragm, it's just, well, I've already started draining it, but when I got here, this expansion tank was full of water, so you can tell the sound was the same. So we gotta replace that. So, and also the boiler got neglected and never been cleaned. We gotta replace the thermocouple, clean the boiler, vacuum it. So yeah, stick with me and I will let you know. Hey folks, so all right. So I just finished replacing the circulator. Got a nice 007. Replaced the rusty pipe. This is a nice perch setup. And we had to replace the expansion tank because it was full of water. And once we replaced the expansion tank and start filling the system up, the relief valve started dripping. So I had to install a brand new relief valve. And then we also cleaned out the boiler burner tubes, installed the new thermocouple, and yeah, the boiler is running now. And then we had to purge the zones, bleed the zone from air. So yeah, now she's running. Hey ladies and gentlemen, so yeah, after doing all that work, fixing the rusty pipe and putting the new expansion tank, new circulator pump, the right side of the house wasn't getting heat. So I got back there today and I cut out whoever piped this boiler, they did it in 1/2 inch instead of 3/4. So I was like, well, I gotta take this apart. So I bought one of these, and the only way to bleed this, purge the air from the zone, is from one place for all the 3 zones. And I ended up getting this 1/2 inch kind of boiler drain / purge setup, made specifically for packs. So you can cut it in, and it's pretty neat. And guess what I found? The blockage is right there. See? Well, maybe that's not it, but I don't know. I don't know why else wouldn't that side. There's definitely a flow restriction somewhere. It's not flowing, at least it's flowing, but it's not flowing too fast the way it's supposed to. Thank you for watching another video. And if you ever need a plumber north of Boston for any emergencies or a larger project like a whole house plumbing or new heating system installation or HVAC installation or repairs, please give me a call, 781-558-4680. Thanks for watching. God bless and stay safe.